Hey there, fellow quad enthusiasts. Today we're diving into something I'm super passionate about, helping you find the perfect petrol quad for your little rider. As someone who's been in the quad business for years at RiiRoo, I've seen firsthand what makes the difference between a good choice and a great one. Let's start with what's probably keeping you up at night: safety. I totally get it. You'll want to look for key features like a reliable safety tether. Think of it as a kill switch that stops the quad if your kid falls off. Proper enclosed footwells to protect those little feet. And most importantly, a quad with the right stability threshold. Trust me, these features aren't just fancy add-ons, they're absolute must-haves. Now let's talk about size and power, because bigger isn't always better. For the younger riders, around 5 to 6 years old, you'll want to start with a 50cc engine. These little machines are perfect for beginners, with speeds that won't give you a heart attack. We're talking about 25 km/h max. If your kid's a bit older or more experienced, then we might look at something in the 90 to 200 cc range. Here's something many parents don't think about: maintenance. These quads aren't just ride and forget toys. You'll need to keep an eye on things like chain tension, tyre pressure, and regular bolt checks. But don't worry, it's nothing too complicated, and it's actually a great way to teach your kids about responsibility and basic mechanics. Speaking of riding, let's talk terrain. When you're starting out, stick to flat, open spaces. Your garden might be perfect if it's big enough, or find a nice open field. Save those challenging trails for when they've got more experience under their belt. One thing I always tell parents: invest in quality protective gear. A proper helmet, sturdy boots, and protective clothing aren't areas where you want to cut corners. Think of it as an investment in peace of mind. Before I wrap this up, I want to invite you to check out our selection at RiiRoo.com. We've carefully curated our range of kids' quads based on all these factors we've discussed. Plus, our team is always here to help you make the right choice for your young rider. Drop a comment below if you have any questions. I love helping parents find the perfect quad for their kids. Catch you in the next video!